What's going on, JCTers? Welcome back to the motherfucking channel. You know what the fuck going on? We watching Chainsaw Man, as you can see. Fuck mid-piece. We done with that shit. Not yet, though. Still got like 1,000 more, but we on to the good shit right now. Let's get into it, you know?
Episode 7, let's get into it.
Once you're out of here, you and me are even Steven.
Did he change his line? No. He said that in reference.
Oh!
He got ate up.
Actually, look at he got bit.
Oh shit. Oh, he's dead.
Oh yeah, turn up. Turn up.
Damn.
Fuck.
Oh
my
What?
Oh, it came back. Remember, because he has the things running through his veins and shit? Yeah.
This is crazy.
Would it be like an infinite, like, bevel or whatever?
I don't think so. I think when there's too much blood, then it's out of it.
Well, they didn't know that he was a devil. They didn't know that Denji was a devil.
They didn't know?
No.
Who didn't know?
I don't know her name. The girl who said that she was gonna kiss him. She just said he's a devil.
Oh, he's done. Man, he's dead. Show that. He eats them and gets power. Oh shit.
Your blood might be the grossest thing I've ever swallowed. Fountains of blood explode from you with every slice. I chug it like it's soda and I'm good as new. I could do this for fucking ever!
Alright.
With such a dope concept that Nobel Prize is mine!
Did they say he's gonna get the Nobel Prize?
Just loose. They fell out.
How long have we been stuck here anyway?
Since you got stabbed, it's been about 3 days, I think.
Damn! I thought a couple hours when I said that shit.
So let's grab some drinks when we get out. For now, I'm gonna grab a little shut eye.
I can't take any more pain. This is my heart. Hurry up and kill me.
He gave up.
What? You're quitting already?
That's it.
That was what Heartwood, right? Said this.
They got out.
Fucking, it's the same day, like the same minute, or whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah, they've only been in there for like 5 minutes.
We're walking away with a piece of the gun devil.
Oh,
they
yeah, it
were.
was.
Clear. Feels like I just took a giant shit or something.
You two head back to the office and report what went down.
Fucking rookies.
For real.
Newbie welcome party, huh?
Yep. Why does somebody like Miss Makima give a damn about this boy? Think first.
Telling you, she's
She usually
plotting.
likes to travel, but she's stayed in Tokyo lately. It's because Denji's here, yeah? So, has she cracked his code and learned all his secrets, or what?
Man, this whole spread smells awesome.
Yeah, I needed that.
Great idea.
Mahima?
It was like Sean.
Oh, what? Which one?
John. Oh, fucking Attack on Titan.
Now I'm a witch guy.
Oh, here we. This is nuts.
You ordered this
Where
plate,
do I
right?
even start?
Him?
Yeah.
Haven't had a drink in 6
It
months.
does.
That a fact? Don't really go out, but I'll drink at home. Along with dumpling trays.
Your Naruto's teacher when he was young.
Iruka.
Yeah.
Because he had the same line shit in his face, like the nose flare.
to your family.
You know?
Eat your fill, okay?
Not off my plate. The chicken's
No.
mine and mine alone.
Yeah, that's why.
Oh, yeah, that's what
Beans were
I
invited
found
as
it.
well, so why didn't you bring your partner?
I think they're a little too scary for this joint.
So, about that kissing reward.
Oh, I'm too shy and sober to kiss you right now. But I'll do it when I'm drunker. Make it extra juicy
All right.
and intense. So please forgive us for trying to feed you to that stupid old devil.
Just he.
Hi, my name is Hirokazu Arai, and I'm 22. My contract is with the Fox Devil, and I write haikus!
Fox Devil. Can you say that's
Ain't
the
Devil High Captain's pals
one that
with.
Aki had?
The Fox Devil was very companionable with humankind.
Okay.
As such, it's formed many contracts with hunters.
Except the fox is also a sucker for a pretty face, and it won't let anyone use its head unless it thinks they're super hot.
Himeno gets really friendly when she's drunk.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
I'm wondering
Apart
how
from the
friendly.
greenhorns, I think she's kissed everyone here. There's no
What?
escaping her.
Then it's in the bag.
Oh, he ready.
God, today I am gonna get my first kiss ever.
Kiss?
Still a cock block.
Pardon me. One draft beer when you get a chance. Are you going to kiss somebody?
Oh, hell no!
You don't want to kiss me
Hell yeah!
What the fuck?
Excuse me, sir.
Hey, why not make it 3? I'm playing the game too.
Man, you're done.
She's already fucking
Fried
done.
chicken!
Damn. Damn. There's more.
She's chilling.
Excuse me. I'll take another beer.
Are you serious?
I'm still in disbelief, Power.
You okay?
Are you serious?
Damn.
Yeah.
She's watching. She is afraid.
What the hell?
He getting it on. What the fuck? Dude, she's 16, bro. That's crazy.
How is she?
Gotta get in 20.
Yeah.
I think that's...
The oldest fuck.
What the? Oh, he puked!
Oh, she
She
puked.
puked at me. Yeah, she puked in his mouth.
Could we get a towel over here?
Fucking killing myself, bro.
Oh.
If I turn to the chainsaw, man, fucking slice her over right now.
What the hell?
What the way he ate that shit.
That dude was munching, what? Oh my god, that's nasty, bro.
What the?
Damn.
You seen his eyes?
Yeah.
Bro, did he say anything? Or did he just eat that?
Sour as hell.
If it holds nutritional value and enters his mouth, he's prone to swallow no matter what.
Oh my god.
This looks edible.
I guess the way he was when he was little, bro. Like, he'll eat anything.
Check it out, Pochita. Gross. They're just chowing down on some drunk's puke.
Okay.
Never mind how it didn't agree with someone else's stomach. As a fellow mammal, I feel sorry for him.
It's fucking nasty.
Never mind.
Himeno has no self-restraint, huh? None at all.
Hold on. Where'd Denji go?
He's with Hime now. She scooped him up and carried him piggyback style somewhere.
Where'd he going? She's drinking more.
Are you serious right now?
Oh, what?
Oh, with beer, I think. Or
What?
something.
No, bro. She's seducing him.
Why is Denji here? This is my place, silly boy.
Fucking dragged him there.
She just have him go to sleep. She have a perk.
Knocked out.
Did you hear it?
What'd you say?
So damn it.
No, she didn't say that. Let's go back.
Hold up.
Wanna do it?
Oh, she's trying to fuck. She's
Oh,
trying
this actually looks fire though.
Yeah.
Oh, it's fucking retro?
Yeah.
What even happened in the episode? I fucking forgot because of the fucking that.
That
That
shit
one
threw
thing,
it.
that
That
shit
shit
threw me off, bro.
completely, bro. That shit was nasty as fuck.
That should make me forget too. I'm not
That
gonna
shit
lie.
was funny.
Oh, what did happen? Let me think.
Well, it started with
Them getting out.
Yeah.
yeah,
Fucking them motherfucker giving up.
Yeah.
and then it was just more backstory to her and
Little-
Aki's relationship.
Little slice of life. Type
And
Jones.
then they went to the bar.
Yeah. She did
And
shit
they were
on a party.
drinking. Yeah, I guess that's how it ended.
That shit.
Not much happened, but that shit was funny.
See, that's why it's good as fuck. Cause like no matter what is going on the screen, just always entertained.
Yeah,
It's-
so disgusting. It was funny, so he didn't want Makima to see them kissing and shit.
Okay.
Ends up seeing that. He told him to fucking, he had to savor the moment with her, but nah, Moga could not wait whatsoever.
I mean, she leaned into him.
Yeah,
She,
she
like,
don't-
He the one that went in
forced
for it.
him- She
Yeah.
forced herself onto him, so like,
Yeah, yeah.
it's kind of abuse. Get Get that bitch out of here. Send that
Especially-
bitch packing.
Towards at the end, bro, Motherfucker's not himself.
Bro.
I mean, fucking.
She said, "Let's fuck."
Denji
Motherfucker.
said, "Me too." You know what I'm saying? Like, okay.
He said he feels dizzy. Wow. It's GG's.
And at the end, she said, you want to do it."
What you think they're doing it?
That's okay. It shows
They're
that.
not doing it. They have an uncensored version for that.
Nah, they won't.
there's no way. Not for shonen.
Well, who knows? Touching titties.
Yeah, but that's it.
I guess.
And they're kissing too.
But they could like
yeah.
insinuate it like them in bed. I mean,
I don't think they've done that for any other shonen I've seen. So
but it's different. New age.
yeah, but even New Age, Moe's not doing that in New Age.
The Dark Trio. Who knows? Good episode per usual.
God save per usual.
That is it for Chainsaw Man. We'll catch you on the next episode. Hopefully it's not mid-piece. I can't promise anything. Stay tuned for Chainsaw Man. We out.